hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup palette review, and it's no other than Anti-Jackie's palette. So we're going to be creating a look with this beautiful Anti-Jackie palette. She collaborated with ABH, that's Anastasia Beverly Hills, and they brought out this palette sometime last year. Yes, don't come for me, I know I'm late reviewing this palette. I had this palette ever since last year, but I don't know what has been stopping me actually from doing a makeup look with this, even though I've used it once, but I didn't just know, you know that thing of having something new but you don't want to use it. You're like, no, I'm keeping it for something special, but a subscriber who made me understand that, oh, there are some people out there who really need a review from that palette. So here I am doing a review and equally creating a makeup look out of this palette. Before we go right into it, I'm going to drop a video right now so you can see the various colors right in here and how pigmented they are. Okay, so watch that first, and then we'll go right in. To my right, we have Soleil, we have Zam, we have Supreme, we have Wiggly's, and we have Pinker. So moving from the left to the right side of my hand, we have Shockington, the purple like shiny color. We have Big Wig, then we have Trust Issues, we have Dollars, and we have Urges. So Urges would be the last shade right here. Sponsored, then we have Credit, next we have is Lituation, and then the last on the palette, Ginger. Alright guys, for a start, I'm just going to go ahead now and conceal my eyes, and I'm using the Lager Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I'll go in with my Studio Fix for the Power Plus Foundation in NC45. My transition color, I'm going to be using the Ginger color right here as my transition color. Make sure I take that all over my eyes. Going in with Credit, that's this shade right here for my inner crease. You guys see how pigmented that color is. same brush which I used in applying the transition color, that's the ginger shade, and I'll just make sure that I blend both colors again together so it doesn't look kind of like harsh, doesn't show me some harsh lining in between both colors. And I'm going in with no product, just making sure that both colors blend in together. For my eyelids, I'm going to be using this flat brush right here, and I'll be using the shade Dollars, which is this greenish golden shade right here, and I'll be mixing that up with the shade Sponsor, that is Dollars and Sponsor right here, just to give me that greenish kind of glow. When I tell you that these shades are pigmented, they are pigmented. Like, you don't need extra eye primer or whatsoever. I literally just applied concealer, then set the concealer with my foundation powder, and guys, they look on another level, okay? On another level. And to make sure that the eye look doesn't look like a cut crease, I'm just going to go in with the same pencil which I use in applying the shade into my crease, but this time around without product. I'll just go in and blend that shade again. I'll still go in with the same transition and crease area color, that's the ginger and the Dollars. I'll just go ahead and apply both shades for my waterline. Amazing. Wow. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and do our lips, and today I'm going to be using the Brilliant Sheer Revolution lip gloss in shade Head Turner. God, it smells so good. Goodness. Ooh, really a hair turner. a shower with that. Alright guys, so this is the complete finished look. I'll just arrange my hair. You guys see how everything has just been put in place after all the setting and highlighting, you know. And I love the look. This is something like a dinner kind of look, nightclub, you know, lunch date. Keep it simple, keep it nice, kind of like greenish, smoky eye, you know. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you're watching up to this stage and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do make sure to click on the notification bell, on the subscription button, you know, share the video if you really liked it, and let me know in the comment section what you think. What look should I create, what palette should I review, and I'll be really glad to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all for your support, and yeah, I hope to see you in one of those videos then. Alright guys, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.